It's that time of month again. We put Allure up against Glossybox, and we'll see who comes out on top this month. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me right now, but if you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So every month I do an Allure versus Glossybox, at least for as long as I continue to get Glossybox. It has not been strong of late, so I have talked about letting it go. I looked on the site. I can't seem to see when my subscription ends. It doesn't really have that information, so not really sure. I gotta look into that a little bit more. But both of them are beauty boxes. Both of them have a mixture of full size and deluxe samples. Glossybox tends to have more sample sizes and less products altogether. Allure seems to have more products in total, as well as things that kind of pack a real punch as far as how much they cost, how high-end they are. So there has been that to consider. So Glossybox, because it's behind, they get to go first. So extra points for this nice box. Now I took it out of the mailer box that it comes in. I have not opened it or looked in it, so we're going to open this together and get a view as to what is in their Bloom and Grow box. So it is pretty. And there is a scan card, so there is no flyer in here. It is very put together well, so there's this little ribbon that usually is tied but wasn't this time. It was just kind of hanging around in here. Okay, all right, this is what I'm talking about, Glossy. There is your sneak peek. I will scan the card and look up prices and pop them up there for you. And I'm sorry about all the shadows. It's just that time of day where the sun is kind of streaming in, and I've tried to get myself in a position where there is less of that, but every now and then I move into that light. The first thing I'm seeing is by the Vintage Cosmetics, and it is a set of 2 hair scrunchies in this gorgeous yellow. Now that's very springy to me, and they are that satin type that's, better for your hair. We have a loose brush. These are wonderful brushes. These are one of my favorite brushes. Typically I get these in BoxyCharm, but here it is, a great eye brush, pretty pink. It's got some texture there. From Commodity is their paper. Now, I have seen some other people, because I got my Allure some time ago. I'm opening this up on April 18th, is when I'm filming this video. This just came in recently within the past few days. The Allure box I have seen people post their Allure boxes, and I feel like they have a Commodity in there as well, but it might be a different one than this. Now, Commodity does have 3 different scent spaces. So they have their personal, which is more like I can smell. There's their expressive, which is I can smell, you can smell if you're close enough to me. And then there's their bold, I think it's called, which is I walk into a room and you smell me. So you can pick your own scent space with this company, which I think is kind of nice. So you can go on the more personal one, which was probably what I would tend to do. They send in these sizes, they're expressive. So it's that mid-range one. They are all a little bit on the musky side though, I will say that. See, oh no, this is Scent Space Personal for me and the few I allow close. So usually we get these in expressive. Here it is. And this is a very high-priced scent company. But it is also, I think, a unisex. It's not bad. I think my husband would probably prefer this than me. I'll let him give it a try. The scent notes are not on here. There is a little scan thing, so you can get that information as well. Next, by e.l.f. is their Bite Size Eyeshadow in Berry Bad. All right, some really pretty colors. Now these are usually like, you can find them on sale for like $1.60 on their website. By Elemis is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. That's a great brand. And then by Kushi Naturals is a vanilla shower gel. We have gotten this before. I feel like I got this in a Black Friday box maybe. It smells very nice. Overall, I think that was a pretty good Glossy Box. Much better than what we've gotten of late. Next is our Allure beauty box, and there's your sneak peek. The first item in here is a full-size item. It is by Rodial. It's the Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask. It says hydrate and tone. Double extra large hydrating mask and skin plumper with 3D filling spheres, and I'm not really sure what that word is. This is 50 milliliters. The retail price for this right here is $58. Now this whole box cost me like $28. So that's a score right there. There is how it looks. It's a lightweight formula and it's well absorbed by the skin. So you can use it as an overnight treatment for an extra boost of moisture. So it's not messy at all. It's not something you're gonna get all over your hands or get all over the place, can't wear your glasses. You can wear it as an overnight mask and just wash it off in the morning. The key ingredients are hyaluronic acid and glycerin. That must be what that said. No, it's definitely not glycerin. Plus soothing squalane in a cooling, non-sticky gel. You can rinse it off or wear it overnight, it says. So that's a great value right there. Next by Aveda is their Botanical Repair Strengthening Overnight Serum. This is for your hair. The full size of this at 100 milliliters is $52. This is 30 milliliters. So not a bad little size considering what this would cost if you were to, go out and purchase it. It says you can wake up with less frizz and flyaways. And the ingredients are botanical oils, including avocado oil and a plant called Sasha Nichi. Despite the oils, the hair doesn't have a weighed down feel in the slightest, it says. It just feels as bouncy as it would after a blowout and considerably healthier too. So I will have to let you guys know about this. I know Aveda is a very nice product line. I used to use it all the time. All right, here is our commodity in book. So we had paper in the Glossy Box. In this box we have book, and this might be the expressive. Yes, this is, so the white box is the personal space, the black box is the expressive. It does say it has a bergamot fragrance. It's crisp and green like freshly cut grass, warmed by a touch of cozy notes of sandalwood and cedarwood. Here is how that looks. A 10 milliliter size retails for, this is $24. This is 2 milliliters. I do like this one better. This does smell like fresh cut grass. I do like this one much better. I wish I'd gotten this in the larger size. But I'm happy to have it and to try it out. I have, I think maybe all of their scents now. I've gotten the milk, the gold, the book, the paper, and I feel like there's one other one that I've received from some subscription box or another. Next, we have this box. This is from Flamingo. There's a little flamingo on it. The Flamingo razor. Head easily detaches and goes right back on. So it's easy to change out the heads on this. This is the sponsor this month. This razor retails for $8. That's really not a bad price. It's a Best of Beauty Award winner. Next, by Avant, we have their Shea Butter Hyaluronic Vitamin B3 Seawater Sweet Almond Deluxe Hyaluronic Face and Eye Cream. Vivifying Face and Eye Cream. This is 50 milliliters or 1.69 ounces. And this is a full-size item and it retails for $114. Avant is a very expensive brand. It's a night cream It's light on your skin, makes it great for sleeping, and it has shea butter, sodium hyalurate, which is an ingredient that takes moisture. It takes moisture and pulls it into your skin. So if you put other moisturizer like a sleeping mask over this, it's going to pull the moisture from that into your skin to really plump it up. And sweet almond oil, which it says makes it smell amazing, like almond croissants. That smells nice. Then the last thing in here is by Real Her, and this is their I Am Influential. This is an eyeshadow stick in chocolate. It is full size. Oops. It is full size and it retails for $19.99. It is. Oh, that's nice and dark. That's a little love from Bandit. He was getting a little crazy the other day and was attacking my arm. And Glossybox did put out a nice box. I'm going to give them that. But can it beat the Allure box? You guys let me know. I'm going to go with the Allure box. There's just more full size. There's more high end. I like this perfume better than the other one, but that's just a preference. Overall, I think they put together a really nice box. But you be the judge. Let me know which one was the better box this time around. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.